Hey everybody, hope everybody's having a good day. It's the start of day 2 of our family road trip. We're actually waiting in the lobby right now to go pick up my family at the airport in a couple hours, but I'm having lunch now and I thought I'd show you guys because it's one of these sushi triangle things. But it's if you guys know those Korean spicy noodles that everyone does on YouTube, it's that spicy fried chicken, but in this. See this little guy? So I wonder whether it's gonna be really spicy and I'll die. You think I'll die? Do you want me to die?
Yes.
Thank you. I thought you might want me to die. It's really red. Is that? And this is like all red there now, the packaging.
Yeah, you take a big bite for something you don't know how spicy it is.
Whoa. 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 Ooh, that's hot.
Are you
Ooh.
okay?
Yeah, it's pretty spicy. It tastes just like the noodles though, that flavoring. It's pretty good. You want to try it?
No.
Let's go for a deeper bite with actually all the flavor.
No one wants.
It's pretty spicy, but not as spicy as the noodles, I feel.
Oh.
Or was it creeping up on me? I don't know. Ooh.
Are you okay?
Yeah, it goes through waves. It's like, and then it's okay. And it's like, ooh, it's like pulsating. It's pretty damn hot there. We'll see you guys when we go pick up my family. Ooh. 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 I shouldn't have taken a big bite.
Yeah, that was massive.
It's kind of just building up in my mouth. Ooh. Oh, I think I need water now. But I'm scared if I have water, it's gonna make it spicy. Oh, it's getting pretty hot now. I'm okay though. Quick, cut the camera. Alrighty everybody, I've been given the A-OK from my sister. We're gonna go pick up my family from the airport now. Pretty exciting. I've never actually been on a holiday with my mum and dad before. When we were younger, we just never went on holidays. So this is gonna be a first for me. Will they annoy the shit out of me? Maybe. Well, my mum won't, my dad probably will. Now it's not gonna look so weird because about the minivan. There'll be more than 2 of us. We on the road again. And Nakita's so good at driving now. She like overtakes everybody and she stares all the other drivers down and she like challenges them to like a drag race and everything. No, but she is really good now. And we've got these chips here. Look at these, like these little cones. They are so addictive. I'm not even hungry. I just want to eat one for the taste and then I've eaten like 50 handfuls already. They're so good. Just checked in everybody. Let's go see what our room's like. I think it's supposed to be pretty nice. Well, my hair's, I need a haircut, man.
I know.
I look funny. Don't make fun of me. It's because I don't have hair product in here. But let's have a look. Whoa, it's so big. What the heck? This is the bathroom.
What the?
There's 2 bathrooms, I think. Oh, no, that's the toilet. Whoa, it's so big. We've got a washing machine there. There's so much drawer space.
The mugs are so big.
Oh my god, there's a fridge. That's a big fridge. Oh, it's a freezer as well, I think.
Wow.
It's like a full-size fridge in here.
Whoa, there's so many windows.
Oh, we got the corner room. Oh, yes. So we were supposed to have a room on level 4, but then our family's on level 8. So we asked, hey, can we move up to level 8? We got a better room than my family did. We're on the corner room. Like, seriously.
It's a mountain. You can't see the stuff.
Oh, this is such a nice room. It's just so big. I don't think I've been in a hotel room this big. This is such a nice room. I can't believe how nice our room is. I want to check out my parents' room and see what that's like. It's probably the same. It's supposed to be the same room, but we got a corner room. Oh, our room's nicer because we were lucky and we got a window here, but it's still the same room pretty much. We've made it out to Oli Night Market, or the Oli Market. I don't think it's just a night market. It's really, really busy and packed. There's like all this street food, there's restaurants, a lot of fruit as well. We're gonna go get some seafood at a restaurant because my dad really wants seafood, and every time we take him out to eat, he's always wanting seafood. So we're gonna get some seafood. This is my dad.
How are you tomorrow? Yeah.
I have no clue what it means by how are you tomorrow. We're going to the restaurant now. I think it might be hard because everybody speaks Korean. I don't even know that there's English menus. We've come to danielnakita Black Pork. We've had to come to this pork restaurant because the first restaurant didn't want to serve us. Did you notice when we walked in, it was like they just all looked at us?
They don't
like,
want big groups.
they don't want these foreigners. But this pork place looks really good in a way, and the staff are really nice as well. Like they're super friendly. Judging by the service alone, I'd come here.
You have to try black pork when you come to Jeju.
Yeah, it's like a specialty thing here. The best thing about going to Korean places is like you're so hungry, but then they have all these sides for you to munch on before you start eating. This one's my it's dripping on me. This one's my favorite back home.
It's really spicy.
Whoa! Whoa, that's so spicy. My dad likes being the star of the show, even though he doesn't make any sense. This is some thick ass pork, man. It's really thick. And this mushroom so fancy, it has writing on it. They say there's Kobe beef, and then this black pork is like the Kobe beef of pork. Nikita knows a lot about it because she's from a pork family. Because she's related to pigs.
What is it?
It's steamed egg.
Steamed egg free, apparently. Whoa.
Nikita just ate some steamed egg that they gave to us.
It tastes like when we had the egg in the noodles in Safa.
The egg's yummy. It tastes like peanuts to me.
Peanuts?
Yeah,
oh,
peanuts.
maybe isn't peanuts a thing?
It tastes like peanuts. So the hot plate is like on an angle, and it's so the fat drips down into the thing. I think that's pretty cool. Alright, let's try the pork.
It's nice, but the fat is really tough. But the flavor is really yummy.
It's good. It's good.
Right?
But can I tell that it's black pork? I don't know.
Ooh, this sauce is really yummy.
This one, red one? This is the proper way to do it, according to my sister. Ah! Like that. I'm gonna get a nice fatty piece of pork because I like fat. Oh, what's this? Oh, this is like chili. Bam!
Onion. Oh, garlic.
And I just roll it up, yeah?
And in one bite.
You have to do it in one bite. Right, my sister says you have to do it in one bite. Otherwise, you're an idiot. That's good, but I just like pork and rice. Actually, no, I really like that. That's really different. You can like taste every single ingredient you put in there, like the leaf, the chili, the garlic, like every single thing you can taste, and it works really well together. My sister's onto something. Oh, yours is full of load of pound? Do you like it with the wrap or the rice?
I like the wrap.
Oh, you like wrap style?
Because then you can put all of this in it.
We're going to try some cold noodles. We've never tried Korean cold noodles before. They literally put ice in it to make it cold, which is really weird. Oh, interesting. It's like vermicelli, but it looks like worms.
But the flavor's nice. It's kind of sweet.
Yeah. I'm gonna stick to my pork, but it's actually really good. I like it.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Yeah, yummy. Good. Korea #1.
Like my dad said, it was really good. Korea #1. We're gonna go get some street food now, like little desserts. You wanna try this bad boy? This guy is like the symbol of Jeju. They're like little sponge cakes or waffle things, but they're famous here because it's they got orange in it because Jeju is known for the oranges. Whoa!
It's like jam marmalade or something.
This is actually so yummy.
It's refreshing. It's like orange zest.
Yeah, it must be better here because it's orange in it. I like it because of the orange.
Yeah, that's good, huh? The first time I ate this one. Very nice.
Thank you very much for joining us, everybody. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already, and then watch this video next for 25 years of good luck.